Got any words of wisdom for me before I start? Oh yeah, okay. We're recording on all these. Hey guys, welcome to My Hair is Probably Dirty. You're looking out the back of my head right now because I want to let you know you can all do this low romantic updo, even though I'm about to say it's just for hairdressers. Alright, hairdressers, this one's for you guys. How many times do we have the bridesmaid that comes in, wants the braid, that sees another bridesmaid or the bride and wants to change their hair? Huh? Anybody? Yeah, I know it's happened to me. So instead of stressing out, I just take their hair right out. Just take it out. You've already done all that work, but to me it's not worth the hassle. If they don't like it, especially if it's a bride, let her know that it's okay that she changed her mind. Even if in your mind you are really upset about having to do her hair over, let's just do her hair the way she wants. And what I'm going to show you is how to take something that was already braided and of course dirty. There's hairspray, everything's in there, it's a little tangled. I'm going to show you how to turn that into a low Chignon. We'll overdub it with somebody that can say it right. Okay, now that her hair is all the way out, and you know that she wants something a little more romantic, all you're going to do is get your pins ready, maybe have your hairspray out. At this point, you might have already cooled off your iron. So this is why I want to teach you emergency techniques to do her hair when you have already put away all that stuff, and she changes her mind. First things first, take that top part of the hair and section it out. You'll always see me do that. The reason is, even if she likes the rest of her hair, girls are very particular with everybody's very particular with the front of their hair. If they want it low, up, they might change their mind. If you leave it down to the side, that gives you ample time to change it after without messing up everything that you've done back here. The next part you're going to section out is the crown of the head. So right about here, I'm going to take that out as well. Don't stress, even if they have thin hair, take that part out. Just trust me. Take it out and work with what you have left on the bottom. Now that you have those sections out of the way, we're going to take the back of the hair. You're going to take your very long bobby pin. These are at Sally's, not the smaller bobby pins, these Supreme bobby pins. Go ahead and slide that one in, and then when you grab the next one, slide it right over that. That means you're crisscrossing them, making an X. Grab everything together loosely. And do the same thing. Put a bobby pin in, the next one goes right over top it to make an X. Keep doing that the entire time, repeat, until you have a great base, but the outside stays looking very romantic. That's going to keep your style all night long, even though it looks nice and loose. With this section, we want a little bit of height. So if she doesn't already have height, if you haven't already teased it, go ahead and get your teasing brush and put some volume in there. Now a lot of bridesmaids are going to say, I don't want that much volume. Just rest assured, tell them you can pull it back down, but the volume needs to be in there so that your romantic updo does not fall down. So you're going to take it, tease right in here, take the next section, tease right in there. Even if they have curly hair, as long as it's dry, you can tease any hair. So get in there. Yep, so it's standing up. Again, their face might be a little worried when it looks like this, but all you're going to do is section it around. You don't have to do anything crazy with this part. You can just take it in a simple twist and then push it down towards the top. We're going to grab our bobby pin and slide it right over where we twisted and push it in. Now at this point there's going to be a lot of loose ends, but don't stress out and don't let your client stress you out saying that there's too many loose ends. You're the one in charge and you know where the bobby pins are, so go ahead and place them in there. Okay, you're going to leave that for a minute. You're going to worry about the top part of her hair now. What you need to find out is if she wants it across her face, if she wants it up like this. Again, if she just wants a very low romantic do, what you can do if it's already a little messy is take small sections and just twist them back. See that? Just twist back like that. And every time I do this, I take the pin and push it in towards my face. So I'm pushing into the twist to give it a little volume. You're going to take the next hair twist it in. And remember, every time you're grabbing one of these bobby pins and sliding it in, that bobby pin is grabbing a little twist and a little from that teasing underneath, which locks it into place. Okay, now that you've gathered that last bit of hair, you're just going to take your last pin and slide it in. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this week's My Hair is Probably Dirty. I'll see you next time. You're going to worry about the top part of her hair. You're going to worry about the top part of her hair now. What's a put? Ouch, this one won't come out. Ow, there's so much hair gone. So much hair loss from doing this. I'm literally ripping out my hair.
And now you're bald. Ladies.
Hashtag bald. YouTube channel over.